Hello viewers, good news for iPad users. Apple has released iPadOS 18.2.1. Currently my iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 18.2. In this video I will update to iPadOS 18.2.1 and show you what are the new features that have been added. Many users actually want to know about this update, whether there is any screen flickering issue or any battery related issue or any other issue in this iPad. So in this video I will update and talk about the display, about the battery life, and also about the multitasking and the lock screen and notification. So stay tuned for this video. Before update to the latest version, you can see that in my iPad storage the storage capacity is 56 GB is occupied, and if you go down you can see that iPadOS is occupying 10.89 GB and system data is 6.11 GB. So without wasting any more time, let's update to the latest version. You can see that the update size is only 285.2 MB, so this is not a big update. So finally I have updated to the latest version of iPadOS 18.2.1. If you go into the settings, now let me show you that I have updated to the latest version of iPadOS 18.2.1, and after that I will go into iPad storage. After every update the storage actually increases, because in iPadOS and system data the storage is very less, and after few days it increases. You can see that 52.84 GB have been used, and in the system data and iPadOS you can see that 8.89 GB for iPadOS and system data is only 4.19 GB. But after some time the system data will increase. Many users want to know whether there is any screen flickering issue in this iPadOS 18.2.1. I would say that there is no screen flickering in my iPad 10th generation, and whenever I played some HDR videos you can see that I can play those videos in 4K 60 FPS. As it comes with A14 Bionic chipset, it can easily handle 4K 60 FPS videos. Also the sound quality is excellent. Multitasking is also very smooth after this iPadOS 18.2.1. I find no issue multitasking, and switching between apps is very good and smooth, and as it comes with 60 Hz of refresh rate, the animation may feel sluggish, but there is no issue with the multitasking or switching between apps. After that I checked the notification panel and saw nothing extra. After 18 there is nothing new that you can get in this iPadOS. After that I checked the display, and the display is working perfectly fine, and you can see that True Tone is working fine, night shift is working fine, and also dark mode is working perfectly well. So there is no issue with the screen or display. After that I headed into wallpaper section and I found no wallpaper that is new. Actually after iPadOS 18, 6 wallpapers have been added in the lock screen section. So I can say that there is nothing new in the lock screen section, all the wallpaper section, but all the wallpapers that are available actually very good. You can set them according to your preference. Also you can download many wallpapers from many other third-party apps that are available in the App Store. Emoji wallpapers are available in the lock screen or wallpaper section, so you can use them if you like them. So these are the changes that actually happened in iPadOS 18.2.1. This update is mostly for the internal improvements of software, not about the external features. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have updated your iPad 10th generation to the latest version or not, or if you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.